Hi everyone, this is Anna from All DIY Crafts, and I wanted to show you my roller on my Cricut Maker. It's done. It was this one over here. I'm not comfortable disassembling my Cricut. I'm sure I could do it, but um, I don't know. I just don't want to chance it. What I did from Amazon was I got these little rollers. I'll put links down below. And I got these little scissors. Now what I did with this is I tried to heat it up. I used a heat gun. Basically what I did was I cut it in half. Some of them won't cut so easily, so the brand I used is down below. And what happened was I got it so that it opens up. Okay, so what I ended up doing was I cut this old one off. As you can see, it's pretty gunky. And I know some people just buy a new Cricut, but I can't guarantee that. I mean, I'm sure they fixed the problem by now, but I'm a little worried that maybe I'll get one that has the same issue. So I think I'll wait a little while before buying a new one. And this one's working just fine other than the roller issue. So what I did was I got these rollers. It came in a pack of 6, and I've used one. This one's kind of on its way out. I was going to do it now, but I think I'm going to wait. So what I did was I cut this in half, and I got these little, if you can see, it's like a little C thing that goes around it here. And I basically cut the other one off. Again, you're going to want to use the small scissors to cut them off. And then I used this button to go back and forth. And then I just kind of placed it under with it open like so. I don't know if you can see that. And I had to make sure it was right there, and so I put it under there, and then I turned it on, and it goes one way one time and one way the other time. Now it didn't, I don't know if I can show you, it didn't completely meet here, even though I heated it up and did all of that. And it seemed to be working okay, and what I ended up doing was I just grabbed a little piece of my painter's tape that I used to, tape vinyl down to the mat that's not completely sticky still. So that's all I used here is I just cut a piece that was as wide as this. I put that little, you can't really see it, it's in there, but I put that little C clamp, I just popped it right on. And then I moved these rollers, since they move, I moved that right up to the edge. I've been running it just fine. I was going to try the zip tie trick and all of that, but this seems to be working fine. I've been running it for several hours, doing the cheer bows and stuff. I haven't had any issues, and I'm happy replacing them with this as needed. But like I said, I've been running this for quite a while now. When this one gets gunky, I'm going to do the same thing. So I hope this helps fixing your Cricut roller without disassembly. Now, feel free to disassemble. I just don't... some people said once they put it back together it sounded weird and all of this, and I thought, well, I'm just going to make this last as long as I can. So I haven't had to replace it. I will do a follow-up video if I have to replace it, but it's been a while now and I haven't had to do anything. I hope this helps. All the links to everything I used are below. So these little clamps, this, some painter's tape, and you need small scissors so that you could get in there and cut. Okay, you guys have a good day.